Sorry? I can't understand you, sorry.
Where's the shitter? I'm trying to find the shitter.
Over by the customer service.
Where's the customer service?
Right over there near the front of the store.
Oops, it's too late.
So this is both the shirt and the pants, is this? Price on that is $9.99.
Not the price I will do. See it? Mine.
Yeah. So those. The size on these is 2XL, so this is gonna be
Him.
I'm not sure.
But I you really about this too. Get my son. Ham.
Yeah.
Ham.
Yeah, that's ham.
Ham.
Yeah.
Ham. Ham.
This is ham. I don't understand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ham.
Yes. You eat that. That's ham.
Oh.
I don't know. Yeah.
Ham.